Greetings. We meet again. Hello, my name is Allison. If you've never been to my channel before, hello. I'm like halfway through this inventory and I just wanted to say this is obviously not flexing on any situation. There's not a shit ton of makeup compared to like a quarter of YouTube. This is a healthy reminder for myself to look at all the makeup that I have and actually use it. Today is all about lip inventory with the exception of lip pencils because I did that. Okay, so I have a few categories that I'm gonna go through and I'll organize stuff as we go. I have no idea where to start, so let me just get this out of the way because it is the biggest thing in front of me. I'm gonna start with the liquid lipsticks, and that is because I have this open here for news. This looks pretty entertaining sitting in my closet the way it is. So I like these. The ones that are upside down make me look like I'm dead. I have Chrysanthemum and Sagittarius, which is like 2 Christmases ago. I have 4 more liquid lipsticks. I decided to keep this. This is a Kylie. It's a little itty bitty one. This is a MAC Retro Matte Back to Vogue. Number 999 by Dior. Like red on motherfucking red. Ooh. And then this is thebomb.com. This is by Terry. 14 liquid lippies. Okay, next category I'm gonna go through is lipstick. And I kind of sorted this shit out. Maybe? I don't know. So, let's try. Let me fuck shit up. I have 8 melt lipsticks. And this is a category that will continue to grow. I have one where the cap doesn't stay on. Wow. Okay, stop, Allison. Moving on, I have 4 MAC lipsticks. This literally says Patent Polish Lip Pencil. It's lipstick in my world. So this is this color. I have one of the Nikki's Nude lipsticks, this amazing retro matte shade. And then my favorite that was just a seasonal shade, that's Teardrop of Perfection. The rest of the lipsticks I have are all individual from different brands, so I'm just going to show you one at a time. This is by Maybelline. It's 545 Matte Beige. Sephora Collection Tan Lines. Dose of Colors in Brulee. Are you noticing these are all the same color? Almost all the same color. KKW and Mario. Classic K. This is Bite Beauty. This is Opal. Tom Ford. I'm Nuts. And Bear 01. And then I have 3 red lipsticks. So I just got this in the mail from Julie Hewitt. Anyway. This is Femme Noir. Look at this. I mean... This is Nectarine by Estee Lauder. And then this is Rita by NARS. How many is that? 23 lipsticks. Meow. Okay, I'm gonna do glosses next. If you've seen my declutter recently, I got rid of some lip gloss. I've gotten rid of some in the past. And these are the 2 that I decided to keep. This one's a solid color and this one's shimmery. Ooh. I like these hoes. They are sticky AF. You'll notice these are almost all kind of the same color vein as well. This is the Juicy KKW gloss. The Itty Bitty Kylie gloss in Poppin'. This is one of the Huda Booties in Bougie Lip Strobe. One of these Marc Jacob clickety whatever whatchamacallit things that smell very minty. This is YSL Gloss Volupte number 20. Is she pretty? It's just nude with like gold sparkles in it. And then here is Bay, I guess you could say. This is the Lancome L'Absolute Lip Lacquer in 202. Look, if you haven't heard everybody on the planet talk about these on YouTube already, I know you have. You should definitely go check it out in store. That's what I did. I ultimately decided to get one color, and I think I add a different color to cart almost every day trying to figure out what to get next. I have 8 lip glosses. Okay, we are in the home stretch. All I have left is balms. The nourishing lip things, the hydrating lip things, the just whatever, that kind of crap. So let's get started there. Just to go that extra mile, I just separated these into clear balms and not clear balms because you want to sit through that much more of this, I'm sure. I have two things by YSL. This is the Tintin oil. I don't think they make these anymore, but I just gotta say, look at this. It's a little lips. It reminds me of how you can like blow bubbles too. This was like a little free sample. It will tint your lips this hot pink though. I have the Sephora Melting Clicks. This is in the shade Caramel. If you haven't tried these yet, this is lip crack. This is amazing. And then I have this. This is the Fresh Sugar Lip Caramel. Oh, I've been through a whole one of these before. It smells, oh, so good. This is by Glam Glow. It is super minty smelling, but it's the wet lip. This by Julie Hewitt. It is a Camila lip balm, and it's orange, but it doesn't go on orange. This is, I got this recently. I finished up a small one last year, but this is my, I keep taking the lid off everything. The Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask, totally a balm in my world. This is the Glossier CoconutBalm.com, which smells delightful. This is the Sol de Janeiro, the Brazilian Kiss lip butter. Then this is the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Lip Booster. Hey, pretty girl. This stuff, oh my god, this is like so hydrating that your lips come back to life. This is, what did I say was Bay earlier? It's not Bay. This is Bay. I've purchased maybe 4 or 5 of these. This is like, it stays in the purse. Like, love this. Absolutely love this. So, how many is that? 10 balms. Alright you guys, thank you so much for watching this installment of makeup inventory of all the lip goodies that I have and the fact that I have too many lip goodies. Make sure you check out some of my other videos in the makeup inventory. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked all this crap. And I will see you in the next video. Bye!